Hey guys, welcome back, and I am not doing a Smoke Alarm unboxing. I'm actually doing something a little bit different. Maybe wondering, ignore the clothes in the background. We got a large box to open today. And by the title, you guys probably know what it is. I don't get to unbox stuff like this very often on my channel. I don't think I've ever done an elevator button unbox. Oh no, I have a couple times. I know I did for my Innovation Pinnacle. But I know I didn't do it with I should have did this and then went to the middle. Oh, okay, that's actually a lot more. Never mind, it's not that convenient. I don't get to buy elevator parts that often, so I'm glad to be finally getting another one. I usually get one every year. I didn't even know it came with this. I don't even know what this is. Line monitoring junction board. Mad elevator. I don't even know what this is. You guys can give me some information. Maybe it's like maybe it's just a I have to see what this is. I honestly don't know what this is. Okay, I'll look at this later. But yeah, I didn't even know it came with it. Okay, here is the main part. My God, it's massive. Okay, so those of you, throgs is probably going to kick me out of his group chat when he sees this video, but this is a Mad BS moon call station. I don't know the exact fixture of this, but it's a surface mount, which is why I bought it. I really like surface mount parts, because it's fun to mount. I have my Empire State Building one over here. As you can see, that one's mounted. I was mounted from the start, though. So, obviously, here's the satisfying part where we get to peel the plastic. I don't know why it has marks on it. I'm not sure what the button's light up color is. Knowing came from ThyssenKrupp, it's gonna be blue, but I hope it's red. There we go. Oh, it's a swing open thing. Okay, I see. Okay, never mind, it's not as cool. Here's your mounting hardware. Here's the bracket, which it's not that important. This is what's the main deal. You can just take these off. Okay, let's see what the illumination color is. Oh, it's white. This is white. I wasn't expecting white. That's cool. White's actually a pretty good color. And as you guys know, if you guys have been watching my channel for a little bit, you guys know I have a Mad Hall lantern as well. So it would go along with this. I like this button. It's a nice simple button. I just hate seeing them on ThyssenKrupps, but I do like seeing these like elsewhere. That's not like ThyssenKrupp, in my opinion, because they're getting so common in ThyssenKrupp, but yeah. ThyssenKrupp's not a bad brand. It's just I don't like I just don't like the specific fixture used on the newer Signifours. I like Matitol a lot better, but that's just my opinion. My opinion's not yours. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to wire this up. So, I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. Apologies for the, change in time. It's now like a few hours late, but look what I did. I was able to get this wired up. So, obviously we got that white color, which is appreciated. I'm glad it's not blue. Not that I dislike blue, but it makes me think of ThyssenKrupp. But I like the white a lot better. That's cool. Anyways, that was an unboxing video of my new elevator part. My MAD surface mount call station. Alright, that's my picture. Bye.